Now I'm going to show you to fit a 2-wire OEM airbag or aftermarket airbag to fit in your 6-wire system. So you need to have this 2-wire we provided. Each wire have 2 terminals. So, but first we need to pry off the lock in this connector first. There's a little hole in here. You can just gently pry it up on both sides. Let me try. Just use a flathead screwdriver and insert it into there and pry that out a little bit, and insert it in here and pry it out a little bit. Yeah. Then don't over stretch it because this piece will be broken. So after you release this, raise it, you can just insert a terminal. The tap side go up, and then you can insert it into the terminal besides the 2-wire. So we call it terminal 3. We fully insert it, and we fully insert the other one. Which side doesn't matter as long as it's the same wire. So you can see now 3, 4 goes to one wire, and 5, 6 goes to another wire. Yeah. So now you can measure with your car system. So after that, you just click it back, and then it's ready to go.